embroidery is a timeless and beautiful craft that has been enjoyed for centuries, adding intricate designs to fabric with threads of vibrant colors and diverse textures. With the advent of modern technology, the introduction of specialized machines has made this craft more accessible to enthusiasts and hobbyists interested in pursuing this art from the comfort of their homes. In particular, the development and availability of embroidery machines for personal use have transformed the way we approach this delicate creative process. However, when selecting the ideal machine for your home projects, you are faced with a decision: should you opt for an embroidery-only machine or a combination machine? This pivotal choice can influence your crafting experience, the quality of your work, and the convenience with which you undertake projects. Embroidery-only machines and combination embroidery sewing machines are the two predominant types of machines you will encounter on the market. As you might deduce from the names, the key difference between the two revolves around their capabilities and intended use. Combination machines are versatile tools that combine the functions of both sewing and embroidery into a single device. This dual functionality offers a practical advantage to individuals who are looking for an all-in-one solution that caters to a broader range of textile projects. If you frequently alternate between general sewing tasks and embroidery, a combination machine might appear to be an attractive choice. The convenience of having to purchase just one machine, rather than two separate units for each purpose, is a significant benefit that cannot be understated. With a combination machine, you have the freedom to stitch a new garment and then embellish it with embroidery, all using the same equipment. However, it is worth noting that while combination machines do save space and expenses, they can present certain complexities. For those who primarily focus on embroidery, these complexities can turn into inconveniences. Combining two functions into one machine inevitably results in a more complex system with more parts and attachments that you may need to configure or change depending on the task at hand. This can become rather cumbersome for those whose passion lies solely within the realm of embroidery. The need to consistently swap out attachments and perhaps adjust settings when transitioning from sewing to embroidery can detract from the joy of the craft for some users. Moreover, the added complexity could potentially increase the likelihood of operational errors or mechanical issues. Embroidery-only machines, on the contrary, are dedicated solely to embroidering tasks. By specializing in one function, these machines forego the complexities and potential complications inherent in their multi-purpose counterparts. Their design is typically streamlined and focused, dispelling the possibility of malfunctions related to non-embroidery features. For many enthusiasts, these machines offer a user-friendly experience, as they are built to accommodate even those with little to no expertise in embroidery. The more straightforward nature of embroidery-only machines often makes for easier troubleshooting and maintenance when problems do arise, which can be a significant factor for those wishing to spend more time embroidering and less time fussing with their equipment. The simplicity of embroidery-only machines, however, doesn't necessarily mean a sacrifice in functionalities or the features they offer. In fact, there is a remarkable variety of embroidery-only machines available, each with its own set of capabilities tailored to different needs and preferences. Those in the market for an embroidery-only machine will need to contemplate various aspects to determine the model that best aligns with their projects and aspirations. Key considerations for selecting an embroidery-only machine include the size of the embroidery area, which dictates the scale of designs that can be created. A larger embroidery area offers the space to craft expansive and intricate designs without the need to re-hoop or reposition the fabric. This is an important attribute for projects that demand bold patterns or for those looking to embroider multiple designs simultaneously. Alongside the embroidery area, built-in design options are a crucial facet. While some machines come with a robust library of preloaded designs, patterns, and fonts, others may have fewer presets but compensate with the ability to download and import custom designs from a computer or USB drive. This digital connectivity can significantly expand your creative horizons. The speed of embroidery is another aspect to consider. Machines that operate at higher speeds can complete projects more rapidly, a valuable feature for those who wish to maximize productivity or have time constraints. Furthermore, the quality of the stitching is an indicator of a machine's performance and will directly affect the appearance and durability of the finished embroidery. High-quality stitch formation is paramount for creating professional-looking results that look as stunning up close as they do from a distance. Additionally, ease of use becomes especially pertinent when operating the machine. A user-friendly interface, perhaps with a touchscreen display, can simplify the selection and editing of designs, making the embroidery process more intuitive and enjoyable. When embarking on the journey to purchase an embroidery-only machine, it's crucial to consider well-known and reputable manufacturers. Among the top names in the industry, you will find brands like Brother, Janome, and Singer. Each of these brands has carved out a place for themselves in the embroidery landscape by offering a diverse selection of models designed to cater to different needs, skills, and budget ranges. Conducting thorough research is essential to understanding what each brand and model has to offer. In-depth research ensures that you can discern the subtleties between models concerning features like maximum embroidery size, the number of needle positions, thread cutting capabilities, and the variety of stitches available. Customer reviews can also provide invaluable insights into the performance and reliability of particular machines, highlighting the advantages and potential drawbacks of each model. Once the research has been conducted and choices narrowed down, you will be better positioned to make an informed decision that aligns with your specific needs and budget. For those who envision a home-based craft centered primarily around embroidery and who prefer a device devoted to this art, the selection of an embroidery-only machine is a choice that emphasizes simplicity, reliability, and ease of use. It is a choice that allows you to immerse yourself in your embroidery pursuits, free from the distractions or complications of a more multifaceted machine. With the range of options at your disposal on today's market, you are assured of finding an embroidery-only machine that not only matches your requirements but also enhances your embroidery experience, leaving you more time and energy to focus on creating stunning works of art. To conclude, the quest to choose between an embroidery-only machine and a combination machine depends largely on your individual circumstances, your interests, the types of projects you plan to undertake, your available space, and your budget. Those with a dedicated passion for embroidery, who do not require sewing functionalities, will likely find that an embroidery-only machine is the best fit. These specialized machines offer the advantage of a simplified, focused approach to embroidery, mitigating the risk of malfunctions and avoiding the hassle associated with changing attachments. The diverse features available in various models ensure that, regardless of the scope of your projects or your personal preferences, you will find an embroidery-only machine on the market that is well suited to your creative endeavors. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.